Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them or looked at them. So please feel free to drop a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on these items or any experiences that you may have with these items. I will have all of these linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in them. I will have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those are just going to be two links that take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other items that I've suggested over the years. So that's all there for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into this. The first couple items that we're looking at, we're just going to look at real quickly. I've never seen these before. I came across them a month or two ago. I hadn't seen them before. I have plenty of engineer tools and van pliers, and they do have other small things here and there, and then van pliers is their USA based version of the engineer pliers. The only difference is the warranty and the color of the tools. But I had never seen these before. I had no idea that they had a couple of multi-bit screwdrivers. So I came across a couple and figured I would at least mention it. This is the Engineer DZ-90. It's the ball grip screwdriver handle. This is a stubby. And it's got a lot going on for the handle right there. A lot of different designs and color pattern. Like it's a pretty crazy looking handle. And then at the base where you actually insert the bit, you can see is a hex base, so you can apply a wrench to that to help remove fasteners. Just to quickly show you kind of the shape of this is it's more of like an oval, I guess. Here you can kind of see it. Right here is actually like the shape of it. So a little bit different design. Sorry, I can't read much of that to you. I feel like the handle is like some sort of alien technology. Like that's just what it reminds me of. There's a lot going on for this dual material grip here. Here you can see you can use very stubby bits with it as well to get a really low profile. There you can see it being used with an adjustable wrench for more torque. There you can see kind of it 70% of what a traditional screwdriver shape. There's a little bit of information if you would like to pause and read that. And then the one thing I did find was Engineer makes all of their pliers in Japan. Really good quality stuff. Now I will say this item is not made in Japan. Here we can see the back of the packaging. It is made in Taiwan, as you can see right here next to me. But other than that, I thought it was a very interesting design. Would like your guys' input on this specific one. We have one more to look at real quickly. This has 4 stars with 10 ratings and is at $9.95. So the other one is their Engineer DZ-72 GT drive ball grip penetrating screwdriver with bolster and go-through handle. So basically this design has a metal shaft that runs from end to end. So there you can see what it looks like inside of the handle, the dual material completely wrapped around that metal interior. It does have a striking cap on it, and here it does show that it's got a hex bolster on it as well. Once again, that Ben 10 style screwdriver handle. I don't know what else to call it. I just thought it was pretty crazy looking. Now they do have a couple different designs of this specific one as well. So this is the chrome blade, and it does say Phillips PH2 on it down here. I know you probably can't see it, but it does say Phillips head number 2. Then they have this guy here, but it comes with a different bit. I believe the handle is the same, but this is their, I believe, JIS 2 Bazooka Dragon Ball Z 51 made in Japan, lot number 21 Alpha. So I think this is more of an impact rated bit here over the one that we were looking at before. I think this one's designed more for removing those slightly stripped or rounded Phillips like what we see here or here. But this one is at $24. The one without the impact rated bit, this one's $26. This one has 4.2 stars with 352 ratings. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. So here we're looking at a pretty cheap, small little compact travel set, 1/4-inch drive metric shallow impact socket set from Tekton. This is a 9-piece set, 6-point sockets, 6 to 14 millimeter. It does skip 9 millimeter. Then you have your impact driver bit adapter or socket adapter, and it's $15.43. I thought 3/8 drive one on sale for $13.82, down from $15, and then there's a coupon for $2 off of that as well. So I mean, these two little sets are pretty cheap, and Titan makes some pretty decent stuff for weekend warriors, DIYers, and if you want something that you just throw in your junkyard bag, or maybe a little to-go bag or roadside bag, they got quarter-inch and 3/8 drive. You got shallow and deep options here, 1/2-inch drive, and they're all pretty dang affordable. So if you just want small sets of impact sockets, I don't think this is bad at all. Especially for a little to-go set. Comes in a little rubberized organizer. It does have a wobble adapter as well, so you can push it on all the way for straight, or you slightly pull it forward just like any other, and you get 30 degrees worth of motion. And like I said, I just wanted to quickly mention this one. It has 4.8 stars, 28 ratings, and when I had added this to my list, it was at $17, so it's dropped $1.50 since then. And then some of the other sets are even on sale as well. So definitely some good prices on them. Next up, we're looking at the Dewalt Mechanics tool set. This is both SAE and metric, all 3 drive sizes. It's a 192-piece set. I've mentioned this set multiple times over the years. This is one of the first bigger socket sets that I bought that wasn't complete junk. And I still have this set to today. They have many other size sets, and I think they're pretty well put together sets. Like here's a 247-piece set. The only thing is, the thing I like about this 192-piece set is it's very socket forward, not filler forward. Like it doesn't have it doesn't include 100 bits just to bump the numbers up. Now when you get into like these 247-piece sets and larger, they do include quite a bit of bits, but not as bad as a lot of other brands out there. And I've found that the Dewalt sockets have been really good for me over the years. I just use them here at home, but I've been using them for actually at least 10 years now, and they've been fantastic. It's at $169 right now, down from $289. I don't really think it ever sells at $289, but it does sell around $250, and it has just recently dropped to this $170, which is what I believe I paid for it. Back in the day, I might have paid around $150, but that was close to 10 years ago. They have updated the ratchets. The ratchets are still, I don't have the ratchets anymore. It wasn't due to a quality issue or anything like that. They were just really heavy ratchets, and I have tons of ratchets that I would use before these, so I ended up selling those. But everything else, it includes bit sockets. I'll just quickly show you. This one doesn't include, some of their sets do include wrenches, but this set does not. I didn't want to get one with wrenches because a lot of the times these socket sets that include wrenches end up skipping a bunch of sizes. You have a really poor selection of SAE, but because they included SAE, they give you a really poor selection of metric. Maybe just throw a full set of metric in for people, and that'd be pretty good, but you're not going to find that. So I am glad that the wrenches aren't included in this. You get a decent selection of bit sockets, as you can see over here on the left. You got 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive. You get a few spark plug sockets, extensions for all 3 drive sizes, ratchets, all 3 drive sizes, with universal adapters for each, and adapters and reducers, and then a couple sets of actual Allen keys, not like the half sets. So I think it's a really nice little set, especially for the price. Here you can see the layout. I like the 3/8 drive deep wells because they're more of like a mid-length socket, which I really enjoy. I just think this is a really good one when you can find it on sale. A lot of times it will be around the $220, $240 price range, which I don't think is a horrible price for it, but just knowing that you can get it for around $170, like it's not worth spending the extra $50 for it. This has 4.8 stars with 7,654 ratings. Here we're looking at the gray Pneumatic 26-piece 3/8 drive deep and shallow master socket set, metric. And this is at $69.05, down from a list price of $93. It doesn't actually sell at $93. Every once in a while, it'll be around $77 to $81. I haven't really seen it at the $93 price range. These are made in Taiwan. Not a whole lot of information. It is a set from 7mm to 19mm in both shallow and deep. 7 through 19mm, no skips. So it is a really nice complete set. Gray Pneumatic is a good reliable quality impact socket set, especially when you can get them on sale. Some of their sets do get pretty expensive, but when you can find them on sale, they do have some really good sets, and I think this is one of them. Let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have any experience with gray pneumatic. This has 4.8 stars with 609 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Tekton high torque tri-lobe black oxide screwdriver set. This is a 4-piece set. It's number 1 and 2 Phillips head and a 3/16 and 1/4 inch slotted screwdriver. So a nice small set, but primarily what you would find yourself using, depending on your occupation, of course. But they do have multiple other size sets. But Tekton is getting ready to switch screwdriver manufacturers to Germany. So I'm not sure if we're going to continue to see this design around much longer, and if when they do switch, how much stock they have left, or if this new German company is going to continue with the same design, or if they're going to completely redesign the screwdriver again. I'm not 100% sure, but they do have some really good deals going on their screwdriver sets. This has a list price of $18, selling for $11.70, made in the USA. It is a dual material handle, tri-lobe. You can get a ton of torque with these things. Awkward looking handle, but one that I found to be extremely comfortable. I understand these ergonomic shaped handles aren't for everyone, but I was really surprised in this. This you can get in black oxide and chrome blades. I think they're a great screwdriver. So let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys have tried the Tekton screwdrivers, whether you prefer this or the 4-sided hard handle design. This has 4.7 stars with 1,042 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Makita XPS Impact 60-piece bit set. This was $37 and some change when I first added it to my list. It is down a couple of dollars. While it's not on sale, it is cheaper than when I added it to the list. I was trying to find some that were a little different than what I normally look at, and this XPS set actually looked like a pretty nice set. The bits look quality. I hear good things about the Makita bits. If you guys have experience with the Makita bits, I'd love to hear about them. Are they durable? I have a lot of Milwaukee and Dewalt bit sets. I thought this was a really well designed, put together set. They do have their other bit sets outside the XPS design, which I think is supposed to be their, a little bit higher end bits. So here you can see a lot of Phillips included, which is nice. Square. Then you got the little bit longer Torx, 25, 27, 30. Some longer Phillips heads. A few longer Phillips head number 2s over here, like 1/4 inch and 5/16 nut drivers or nut setters. 1/4 inch socket adapter. You got some hex and Torx and slotted. I mean, that's primarily what I use. I don't use really square, but I primarily use everything else that's included in this set, so I thought it was a really good one. As far as coverage, obviously that's going to depend on the type of work that you do, but I've only used a few Makita accessories before. Like I have a couple of their little impact socket sets and things like that, but I haven't used these bits before. But I thought it was a pretty well put together set. Lasts up to 100 times longer. But if you guys have experience with this, please let me know down in the comments. This has 4.8 stars with 4,534 ratings. Last one up is the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty drill and screwdriver bit set. This is a 100-piece set for $47, down from $60. It has been as high as $67 and as low as $44. I think $47 for these 3 sets is a very good option. I picked this set up a little while back. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it, but I wanted some longer bits. I have good experience with my Milwaukee bits, like I stated a little bit ago. I have a few Milwaukee and DeWalt sets. I wanted some longer bits. I had experience with the Milwaukee ones, so this is what I picked up. I like its assortment as well. You get 3 different ones. You got smaller bits up here, a couple magnetic nut setters here, a magnetic 1/4 inch bit adapter, some longer Phillips in this one as well. So I mean, it's got a good assortment, and it's primarily the bits that I use. Here you can see they have a 6-inch and 3-inch 1/4 inch bit adapter. I believe, if I remember correctly, that's a 3/8 drive socket adapter, a couple more nut setters. So you kind of got doubles of a couple things, but honestly, I'm okay with that. There you can see a little bit better. But I think for the 3 sets at $47, that's basically what, $15, $16 a set. I don't think that's bad at all, especially for what's included. Yes, you get a couple doubles of the nut setters and the 1/4-inch bit adapters, but I'm perfectly okay with that. Obviously, you're going to get doubles and triples of certain, your Phillips number 2 and things like that, which I'm perfectly okay with. I thought it was a pretty good option, especially at this price. This has 4.5 stars with 479 ratings. If you guys own any of these sets, or if you bought the 3 together, let me know your guys' experience with it. Once again, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys, all with their own independent links, so it's easy to find. And once again, if you have any experience with the Engineer screwdrivers or the Makita bit set, please let me know down in the comments. I'd be interested to see what you guys have to say about them. But that is it for this week's Amazon tool deals. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.